Today, we're going to unbox and take a first look at the Canon SX740 HS 4K point-and-shoot camera. Let's go. Here it is, the Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. You can see some of the specs here. It's got the Digix 8 processor, the most recent processor, 20.3 megapixels. 4K, it's got that flip-up screen, and it's a 24mm lens with a 40x zoom. It's got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as well. Let's see what's in the box. Warranty card, instruction booklet, battery charger, the battery, and this is the same battery that my G7X uses, which is kind of nice. Got a little wrist strap. And then the camera itself. You can see that 40x badging, optical zoom, flip up screen, and my cat. It's a quick unboxing of this Canon SX740 HS PowerShot. I'm going to take it on a quick photo trip, do some video over to the beautiful Duke Gardens here in Durham. So we will show you pictures, we'll show you videos, and we'll come back and talk more about this new Canon point-and-shoot vlog camera. So here are the pictures. I wanted to just give you an idea on what it can do as a photography camera. Everything here is set to automatic or program mode, and these are all straight from the camera, so I didn't do any editing whatsoever to them. You can see I tried to get a macro shot there. This is another close-up shot. Looks pretty good. The color looks good, clarity looks good. A little turtle chilling on a log. Everything seems to look good if you look into the details. We're zooming into 200%. You can see that the details look good. These are all taken in, obviously, in good light. In low light, might not look as good. Here's one wide, and I'm going to zoom in here to show you the difference between the wide shot and the zoom shot. So there it is. It's that 40x zoom at work. Pretty impressive. You'll see that in the video as well. Some pictures of the waterfall. Beautiful place. If you get a chance to go to Duke Gardens, definitely check it out. There's my wife on a bridge. Another turtle shot. And then a duck action shot. Here's some of the video we shot as well. And this is just the entry to Duke Gardens. Just wanted to show you how the video looks. Again, this is completely unedited video. Didn't change any colors, clarities, didn't change any settings, just copied it over from the camera into Adobe Premiere, which I use to edit. This shows you kind of the capabilities of the image stabilization, which was on, and also the zoom. So these shots are handheld, which means I'm not using anything other than just my hands to hold them. And we're zoomed in here at over 700 millimeters, or close to it. So you can see that image stabilization does a pretty good job. And you'll see in a couple spots it kind of jitters a little bit. But for long shots like this, normally I would use a tripod. But again, here's it zoomed in all the way at 40x. And I'm hand holding this. And you can see that kind of micro jitter there, which again is small price to pay. And then we're zoomed in and zooming out here again, so you can see the range of that 40x zoom. Really impressive. And here's the waterfall. I just wanted to show you water because you can see artifacts in water, the kind of blocky looks when you have like a low megabit or low output for your video. So I'm not sure what the bit rate is on this, but you can see that there's just a tiny little bit of artifacting in the water. If you look at it, it might look just slightly blocky in certain spots, but I think it did a really good job, and I think the video looks really good. Again, this is 4K video at 30p. And then here's another shot that kind of demonstrates the zoom. We're looking at the koi pond, and you can see I'm kind of zoomed all the way out looking at the fish near our feet. I'm going to try to zoom over into the lily pad and the lily on the lily pad here. You'll see that come into focus. And watch the focus as we go. You can see there's a little bit of focus hunting right there. And there it snaps into focus. And here's a vlog test. 4K. Holding it at arm's length on a tripod, using the microphones on board. We're at Duke Gardens. It's a beautiful place today. Kind of sunny, warm. Audio is decent, I hope. It's a little bit of wind, you might hear some wind noise, but this is 4K zoomed all the way out. back to the video. So that vlog clip looks pretty good to me. Really impressed with this so far. We used it for a couple of hours, again, over at Duke Gardens. I think this is going to be a great vlog camera. It's around $400, so it's certainly a good value with the 4K and that 40x zoom. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Look for the full review coming up soon. If you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. That's okay as well. Also, there's a link to the camera in the description below. If you want to check that out or buy it, it will help the channel. It's an affiliate link, and I get a few pennies on the dollar, and it doesn't cost you any more. Get out there and have your photo gear fun, and we will see you again in the next video.